Alright, guys, welcome back. So, my son would like us to focus tonight on automated wire. And that is the
Yeah.
last thing we need to get running here to complete phase two of the space elevator. So, let's get started on that.
Okay.
Um, we know we're going to need stators in order to make. Well, here, let's just look real quick. I think it's stators and cable, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, stator and cable. And to make that, we use, copper wire and steel pipe. So he did a great job getting us rolling here with some
But we
with
definitely
some
need
steel work,
more.
but we are going to redo this and make it much bigger. So I'm going to start just by deleting this area and put this stuff on its own floor.
I skip anything that needs to be unlocked. I found something.
Yeah, he set this up just as like a temporary
Yeah.
build so that we could get some of the materials we needed. Worked out great. Um, but we are going to scale this up a bit.
Okay.
Let's see. Just
I'll
tuck
be right back.
this. Just tuck this down underneath.
I'll be right back.
Of course, I fell. Yeah, no problem, bud. Somewhere about there. It might not be perfect. Probably. Oh, yeah. I need to upgrade all these lines. We got that running a long way for no reason, but I'm going to leave it the way it is. We're going to upgrade that as well while we're here. $240. There we go. If I'm not mistaken, that can be 270. Yeah, 270. So it's important to keep that upgraded. Yeah, we'll do one more thing here while I'm here. Put a buffer storage unit in. Ground is really uneven. Oh, I don't like that. Looks like we don't have a choice. Alright. It's all going to be covered up anyway. hooked up. Probably because these are all full. Yeah, they are. Alright. Create all of these. We'll be redoing this. I don't want to lose that power. No, we don't have Zoop turned on. That always helps. Oh, got a little quieter now. No pouring rain. Alright, this still looks messy, so we're just gonna...
I'm back.
Alright. Those little guys. Yep, forgot them. Alright, we're also gonna... Well, when we put the ceiling on this, we'll redo this. Get that tucked away up on the ceiling or on the wall or something. Alright. Let's see, how many do we have here? So we're at 13 right now. We're going to do a 14.
Okay.
Let's use that as a placeholder for right now. Alright, let's get a wall set up. You know what? We'll use... I don't think it really matters which direction we put these in. I think because we're going to have this, maybe we'll do it all in that direction. Hey, bud.
Yeah?
So I'm going to set the foundries in a line here, and then you can set up the conveyor for it.
Okay.
Alright. Just like you did your conveyor before. That was very nice and organized.
Sure.
30 and 30. So,
Oh,
well, 3 goes into 27 9 times. So we could do a max of 9 machines. We're gonna go in sets of 8. So that we're not maxing our conveyor belt. That's what, 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. It's all empty, so it can go away. There you are. Okay.
so
You get started on that. I'm gonna get started on the next floor here.
okay.
3,
I'll
4,
work on this.
2. All right. You might want to put them just a little bit further,
Okay, yeah.
like you had them before.
Okay. Sure.
I'll place the first one, the first set.
Okay.
Your belt wouldn't want to, and also that'll set you up in the right direction.
Okay. Wait, question. How do you want the iron to come in?
Right, it's gonna come in right here. I'm about to run that right now.
Right there, okay. Because it was mounted underground.
Yeah, it's gonna come that way underground.
I'm confused, okay.
It's okay. I'm gonna take care of that
Sure.
right now. All right, iron set.
Nice, thank you. Okay. Now, okay, 3.
We will have to increase our coal production in order to keep that going. But I'm
Okay.
gonna set up the constructors upstairs for.
Alright.
Um, we'll do the first floor. There will be steel beams, I guess, because that's what we need first. Running again,
Okay.
and then we'll set up another set of foundries and do a level for the steel pipes. I know we're gonna have a lot of extra room in these buildings, but in time that'll get filled.
Yeah.
You know, when we want to increase, we can just come in and add to the same building we're in. steel beam. So it's going to give us, we're going to go ahead and do all 9. No, I'm going to do 8. So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
I can see that number.
Yeah, because when we could increase our speed for the belts again, we'll be able to just extend these down.
Yeah.
You know. All right, I have the ones upstairs set. I'm gonna put the first the first splitter down.
Okay.
And then you'll.
Yeah. I'm just gonna take a couple more conveyor belts real quick.
Yeah, we'll go right there with it. Yep. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna go upgrade the coal production.
Okay.
Because we need 270 and we're only getting 50 or 60 something per minute right now, which is okay because it's full, but it won't be.
Yeah. Nope, not for long.
Yeah, I have a feeling we're running the old belts over here, and that's why it's going slow.
Yeah.
I'll upgrade the miners too while I'm here. There we go. All that out of my inventory.
There you go. Okay. I'll bring power over.
All right, we'll let that run for a couple of minutes and then see what our production looks like. If we need to increase it, we'll have to see if we need more supply or if we need more vehicles running. Put it, yeah, right on top of that.
That is much easier.
I'm gonna run a new supply line of power over, so we can get
Okay.
rid of some poles that we don't need anymore.
Yep. Already getting steel beams. Okay, good. That worked well.
I'm just getting rid of some extra wiring.
Yep.
You want to set the next floor up?
Sure. You mean over here? Sure. Want them 5 high, correct?
Yeah, 5 high.
Alright.
I don't know for sure if that's the right height, but I'm going to try it. A little off. Should have left it there for reference. I think that's it.
How's our power looking?
We should be good, but you can double check it.
Yep. I'm doing okay. Figured I'd check. Okay.
15 per. Oh, I put the wrong thing here. Whoops. First, now it need to be on such an angle.
Currently, bringing stuff over to the space elevator.
All right. I'm going to lay out the constructors for the steel pipe.
Okay.
And then we got to find more iron ore to bring over.
This shouldn't be too hard.
Two, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whoop, that one.
Stop 6-7ing us.
I was just counting.
You still said 6-7.
Well, they are numbers. They're valid numbers, all right?
But it's offensive.
Who does it offend?
Me.
Well, don't be so off-ended.
Oh, I'm over my end. I am off my end.
I can tell. You get a little off-ended.
I am
Ooh.
off my ends.
Well, if we can do 20, means we can do 13 machines.
Not bad.
So I'm going to rearrange this differently. Come in one. Then going to do 12. That leaves some spare. You know what I haven't checked in a while is the, damn it, I forgot. The coal for the power plant, but we're good.
Good. Glad to hear it.
Well, we're up to 206 coal per minute coming in. I don't know. I have a full load. 231 now. Yeah, we're doing pretty good. Alright, where are we going to pull iron from? Let's see. Maybe if we upgrade this one. That's barely pulling iron from there.
Only I'm putting up billboards with the copper.
All right.
Put that upside down.
through, upgrade. This is conveyor line. We might be a little tight there.
Okay. How's it going over here?
I'm setting up the next row of foundries here.
Okay. I'll put in some conveyor belts.
Awesome. Yep, make it face that direction. Could just run it directly over, but I think it'd be better if I something more like this. Alright, so we're 209. Use a max 270. Maximum ability of 500. Alright, we're gonna add another truck. But we need to make sure that... Alright, I'm going to check the coal again. You hear me, buddy? Well, you must have stepped away. You still there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Alright. I'm going to check the coal again.
Okay. Sorry, I didn't hear you at first. I was paying attention to the variables. I was setting up them.
No problem. I want to increase the amount of coal coming into that,
Okay.
but I don't know if we have enough over here or not.
Hopefully we do.
Looks like we do.
Good.
So yeah, I'm just gonna put another truck on it.
Alright.
So this is the first time I'm using vehicles like this to haul stuff.
Yeah.
I kind of like it.
Really?
Yeah, I like it.
Good. Yeah.
I think it's better than running conveyors all over the place.
Fair enough.
I don't know. We'll see as we get more and more production going.
Yeah.
How that really works out. But maybe we'll have to think about, highways and, better organization for them for traveling and stuff. I don't know.
Yep. When we get to the drones, I had fun having them set up.
What's that?
When we get to the drones,
Yeah.
they are fun to set
Yeah,
up.
they're another thing. I have
They're a lot
not
of fun.
used them.
Really?
I mean,
I have.
I've,
I've done with them.
I played with them a little bit, but I didn't really,
Yeah.
not like we're gonna be this time.
Alright.
Because we're gonna need every mode of transportation we can get
Yeah.
if we're not gonna use a bunch of conveyor everywhere.
Yeah. I need wiring. That's why I forgot.
All right.
Milestone reached. After several pioneers started exhibiting traumatic responses to power blackouts, Fixit developed mitigation tools recommended by your local therapist. Power storages can hold excess power to delay or prevent blackouts in the eventuality that your factory's power consumption exceeds production. To simplify, these are rechargeable batteries. Power towers carry power lines for significantly greater distances than poles, facilitating factory
I'm gonna find
expansion
some
and
criterion
exploitation
so we
of
can
this
get the
environment for the
daisy
good of
chain.
Fixit and humanity.
What's that, bud?
I'm gonna find some criterium so we can get the daisy chain for the power.
Oh yeah.
So I have some inventory on to do. On sulfur. I'm finding sulfur, but not deuterium. I want coal. Found so much sulfur, but no deuterium. Found deuterium.
All right. We got a good start to steel production.
Good. I found an infinite node of deuterium. I just need to mark it on the map. It's possible.
I wonder what we have to do to unlock the smart splitters.
I don't know. I think it's deuterium.
I think you're right.
Well, I found an infinite node. I have it marked on the map. We need TNT to get it.
That can't be the
'Cause
only
it's...
one.
I'm hoping it's not. But I don't know. I'm having doubt. limestone.
We can't search for it yet with the
No.
scanner, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, I'm gonna help you try to find that.
Okay. If you press M, you can see it on the map where I marked it. I found more.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's infinite. And you don't need TNT. Good. I'm gonna mark this one on the map too. This will be. Oh, I don't know. This will be a caution sign. And there you go. It's on the map. And it's not very far from camp either. Tyrion.
The metal has been named Caterium after Fixit's greatest CEO Katerina Parks. It has been added as a viable alternative to gold in industrial applications, specifically in advanced electronics due to its superconductivity, malleability, and corrosion resistance. Research completed. Caterium ingot recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
All right. I'm almost back. I found the Caterium as well, but it was blocked. You have to blow
Yeah,
it
that
up.
was one I marked.
No, that was a different one.
Oh, okay. Well,
Unless I don't. Well, maybe you did. Let
is
me
it near
look on the.
water?
Your marks don't show up on my
Oh,
map apparently.
okay. Well, I don't know what to do about this. Come over to me and I have one that's not covered.
Well, I don't. Okay. It would be good to know where it is.
Yeah.
Unless it's just called new marker.
Yep, that's it. That's fine.
Yeah, I only have
Or
one
one
of
that's
those.
not covered. Yeah, well, the one that you're looking at is not covered. Mining it right now just to get some
Yep.
Ethereum. It's not too far from camp.
How many? How much ore do you think you need?
I don't know, but I'm gonna make a pathway over to it.
Um, don't do it that way, please. We'll make it coming from there if we need to. We want to have the grid match. You know what I mean? So like you want to build it from what's already out, what we already built to here.
Yeah, that's my plan.
Okay. Well, I looked like you were building from here over there. I'm sorry.
Nope.
You're up higher than you have to be.
Yeah, a little bit. That should be good.
All right. Those are some radioactive green signs
I
on
know.
the copper building.
Yeah,
Yeah. All right.
that was my plan. Violently green.
Oh man.
Now time to research things in the map.
I'm making the ingots to unlock the next thing right now on Caterium.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep.
Next thing's almost certainly gonna need wiring, so yeah, I'm gonna make wire. Yep.
Research completed. Quickwire recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available.
Yeah, I don't know that we're going to be able to unlock the smart splitter yet. We might have to get further in the
Yeah.
further along in the elevator first, but it'd be nice to be close to it.
Yep.
New Caterium research options available. Congratulations on finding this metal. Many Fix-It
Actually, no, we
initiatives
don't.
will benefit from Caterium's applicability in advanced engineering. Also, it is probably not sentient, and so unlikely to feel pain as we exploit it.
We exploit it.
Oh, we could unlock the AI limiter in here.
Yeah, we can.
All right, sweet. We need a bunch more.
Yeah. Well, I'm making 250 right now. Well, I think it was 270.
Oh, all right. The bees do not stay passive for long.
Mm-mm.
If you go near them. They were
They're very,
passive
very
for
violent.
yeah, they were passive for a little bit, and then they
Tied.
decided they had
No.
enough of that.
Yeah. That's how they are.
I put some portable miners up there on the Caterium.
Did you or are you asking me to do it?
No, I did.
Okay. I didn't hear the I.
Yeah, no, I put them there. You're welcome to use them.
I just didn't hear the I, that's all. Where are the bees you're having problems with? One that remains so I can sell them on the black market. They're already making it. Airliner is nice.
Research completed. AI limiter recipe unlocked. New Caterium research available. Power pole Mark II unlocked. This provides additional power connections compared to the Power pole Mark I.
And now I need plastic for things.
Yeah, that's gonna.
At least the alienators were easy.
Forgot how many I needed. I need 10. I'm gonna unlock the smart splitter here in a second, but I think what we actually need is gonna be the programmable splitter.
Yeah, that's the main thing. But that we need, what's it called? We need plastic for. Because that's on a different side. And we need computers and stuff like that for that
Yeah.
one. It's on a different, tier.
Yeah, I forget what the smart splitter, what that one let you do.
I don't know, actually. I know when the programmable splitter able to do things.
Well, yeah, you can set what
But,
goes out
yeah.
where.
Yep.
And
Yeah. You can choose to only do, ingots or only do the overflow.
yeah.
Smart Splitter unlocked. The Smart Splitter offers advanced settings that can improve conveyor belt logistics.
Oh, you can set a filter.
Can
Okay.
you?
Yeah, you can filter. So
And
so
you
that's
can
perfect.
filter
Well, that's going to let us use
and overflow,
like
yeah.
a truck station, and then we can filter the outputs and send them to the
Yeah.
to the correct conveyor belt.
Alright, cool. Then what does the programmable splitter do?
There's a difference in what you're able to do with it.
Alright.
Let me look at it. Yeah, I don't remember what how the difference is, but
Okay.
I remember it is different.
We need first person. Easy. 24/20. Maybe. Ah, it's evil. I need one more pizza quartz. Ah, oh, found them. I guess should be enough. I'm getting something very, very important for us. Something that's going to help us out quite a lot when it comes to logistics.
Research completed. Crystal oscillator recipe unlocked. New quartz research available.
Nice. There you go. Now we can see how much. Let's say. Now we can see how much we're getting from each conveyor belt.
What's that? You got a throughput counter?
Yep.
Nice.
Should help out a bit.
Oh, that. So they added that in, huh? Because I've
That
had
used
that
to be a
before,
mod.
but it was a mod.
Oh,
I don't remember that being part of base game, but
I do.
I don't know when they added that. Then
Before this last update, that's all I know.
yeah,
She works the same as I remember. Yep, works the exact same as I remember. Interesting. Just gives us an idea of how much we're getting when it comes to overflow.
yeah.
Speaking of which, I could use this to my advantage. Good to know. So some of our irons we're getting some overflow on our iron conveyor belts. Is there anything else you want from the shop?
I don't think so.
Okay. I'm gonna have like 6 or 7 points.
Oh, really?
Oh god dang it.
So how many points?
Um
Like
six
six,
or
seven,
seven.
6, 7.
Where are you? I'm gonna tease you. No, it was only 6.
Not 6 or 7.
No. It was 6, 6, 6, 6.
It's pretty close to 7.
Stop 6, 7ing the viewers and me. I teased you.
You're such a whiny little girl. God.
What, because I tased you? For 6, 7ing me and the viewers?
I didn't 6, 7 the viewers. All right.
Yes, you did. You 6, 7 both of us.
No, no.
Yeah, you did.
You deserved it.
What did I do to deserve it?
I don't know.
You don't even know?
I don't know. You were over there saying 6, 7.
I, I didn't mean to. Stop trying to off-end your child.
power that still. To
Eat that.
yeah.
Look what I can do.
Look what I can do.
I can make coffee. Black coffee
I do like coffee.
that I cannot spill
Why can't I
somehow.
fly?
You don't get to fly, that's why.
There it goes. I don't know.
I
Flight
broke
was
my leg before I could spill my coffee, okay?
my flight was being a little girl.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the coffee doesn't do anything special yet, but it's still kind of cool to drink.
No, whoops. I forgot to set that to actually receive. It loaded nothing. That's alright. It'll be back. Alright, now we
Will it though?
also... Another one. Alright, smart splitter. Left. It's gonna be steel pipes. Right, I believe is gonna be cable. Double check that. Center is none. copper wire, not cable.
I'll be right back.
Alright, let's get this connected up.
Alright, I'm back.
Alright. I'm working on getting the stators up and running.
Okay, I'm looking at the shop and seeing if there's anything that we need.
have to figure out a way to fuel that. Whoops. Take it a minute, but it should start getting fuel. Yep. Copper wire. Going to stator receiving.
What do you need me to do?
What's that, bud?
What do you need me to do?
Okay. We need to set up right over here on this pad for doing stators. And this building is just going to be for that. That's all it is. So
Just for stators?
yeah, so we're just going to do it on the first floor right here. I'll set up some assemblers
Okay.
and
I'll set up some
you'll be able to,
conveyor belts.
yeah, you'll be able to do the conveyor. Let's see here. So we could do you're gonna need a little more space than that, which means
Yeah.
I might need to move a little. Yeah, I'll go to there. Three, 4, 5. 6. You ready? You ready?
Yeah.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You are offensive. You.
12.
That was just rude.
Oh, come on. That was funny.
Rude. You're accepting both me and the poor viewers. What did they do to deserve it? Hmm?
Hang on, hang on. I gotta erase that one.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Now you can connect it.
Okay. Did I do something wrong?
No, no. Actually, it was. I could have done what I did differently, but it was too late. I already did it.
But you're at fault here.
Let me see if that's enough room. I don't know if it is. Yeah,
Believe
it should be. Yeah, you're good. You can go in line with that. There we go. I don't know why I didn't think of that. 4. It's the easiest way to deal with that.
There you go.
All right. Merger.
So now what?
Can you connect the mergers here?
Oh, sure.
All right. Just gotta set them up. Okay.
I heard a good thing, copy them all. Okay.
Oh, damn.
So, now what? Be right back.
Alright, so we just need to put a wall around this.
Alright. Easy enough to do. There you go.
Alright, I'll let you do that. We were both trying to do it. It was making a mess. Or we almost made a mess, I should say.
We were trying to make a mess.
Yeah. Alright. Definitely not the most efficient way of doing this.
What's not?
But it'll work.
Why is this raised?
Where?
The stators.
Oh, well, the level has to change with the ground below.
Oh, that's fair enough, yeah.
You know?
I didn't think about that.
Okay. So the stators need to get put together with, I think, cable. Automated wiring. Yeah, stator and cable. So I think, and that's going to be called automated wires. I think what we're going to do is we're going to run that back. We'll set that up in the copper building.
Okay.
Just because it's wiring, I don't know.
Okay.
We might move it later, but the
Sure,
copper building
organization.
it does two things. The copper building currently has a fuel supply for tractors, and we also, that way we don't have to ship the cable.
Yeah. Makes it a bit easier.
So we'll set that up top. Assemblers. The good news is it does not take a lot of stators per minute.
That's good,
So,
I think.
well, only each time it makes 2.5 automated wires, it only uses 2.5 stators.
Not bad.
So, all right, you want to come connect them?
Oh, sure. I'm coming.
I'm on top of the copper building.
I see you. Oh.
Wonder how we're doing on electric.
I don't know, honestly.
We're almost capable of tripping the breaker.
Mm,
Not that
that's
we're
fun.
anywhere near actually tripping it, but
Yeah.
we're almost capable.
Almost capable.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Alright, hopefully that'll let me. Okay. Unload. I'm gonna call this stay tour. Probably have to redo all these names at some point, but hopefully for now that'll be good enough.
Okay.
You know, like the different truck stations.
Yeah.
I've been naming them, trying to keep it organized, but I don't know for sure that it's gonna work to keep it organized.
But isn't the entire idea of you naming them keeping it organized?
I mean, that's what we're trying. Just as we do more and more of them, I might have to change it up a little. There we go. Alright, let's get a truck set up for that.
I made a roller coaster. I'm testing it out right now.
You made another roller coaster?
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Figured I don't know much else to do it at the moment, so might as well. Not it took me long. Okay. Please do not sue.
Alright.
I cannot ensure your survival when it comes to whiplash. That's pretty cool. Do you want to come over and test it?
Huh?
Do you want to come over and test it?
Yeah, let me finish getting the
Okay.
automated wire set up here.
Now, you must hold W.
Why? Because you want me to go fast?
Yes. It makes it more fun. Fun. Alright, I'm proud of it. Oh, and it backwards.
Oh, that was stupid.
What was?
I put a elevator conveyor in order to like go from one box to the next, one storage container to the next. But I put both the in and the out on one container instead of going from one to the next one.
That's one way of doing things.
I might have not set that thing to unload. I just set it to unload. No, it's on unload. Alright. Alright, guys. So we got the automated wire set up. We're just about to wrap up for the night. Um, I'd like to get some things done that are kind of tedious. Probably won't record that. Just going to be building and not really factory expansion so much. But anyway, I hope you all have a wonderful time. Good night, and appreciate you being here.